Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.system.com, making this video about Bitcoin. I'm getting a lot of requests, so I decided to make one. So let's get it started. Few old charts. This is the chart I made in August 2025, right? And finishing wave three. So this is wave one, Elliott wave one. This is wave two, 78% retracement, A, B, C correction. Then one, two, three, four, five, wave three. And I said, well, this is the end of it. Usually wave three is in this territory, ends, right? So after that, it's supposed to be dropping for wave four into this area, right? So I made a weekly chart as well, a little more detail. And well, this one is like, okay, this one is coming down. I don't know where the hell, weekly chart is, but we'll see. So this, you can see that clearly it has started to come down. This is November. And yeah, this is the weekly chart I made in August, the same time I made the monthly chart. And what happened to this chart? It's supposed to be coming down into these white lines. This was my target at that time. So what happened to this chart? It started to come down, and finally coming down November, coming down, and then it started to go up. So I said, okay, maybe this wave A is finished, and we're gonna go up for wave B, and then C will come down here into this area. But it went up a little bit to 38% of this drop, and kind of like I'm making a zigzag, and then start dropping right from there instead of going into the 61 or 78% retracement, right? That happened a lot of time. No, and sometimes, very few times in wave four, but a lot of time in wave two, zigzag correction. Usually what happens is that the flat correction comes in wave four. But here we got kind of like a flat correction here in wave two. So according to the rule of thumb, rule of alternation, actually. And it's like if it is zigzag here, then flat here, and if it's flat here and wave two, then the flat zigzag is in flat, like here, right? Basically, not this one, but we have a flat on, you can see on the monthly chart. All right, so this is according to that. So, well, then what happened to this chart? And let's see. See, it has started to drop into this area where my target was. So then I made the chart like this on February 5th, that from here we might be able to go to the upside, making like, it's like wave one, two, or this. If this is A of four, then we can go from wave B to the upside. At the same time, I made this chart here, that, daily chart, more breakdown, that A, B, C. Right, that's we're gonna be bouncing from this area and then go to the upside. But how? Right. So let me show you the current chart right now. The current chart of monthly chart, it looks like this, right? And then the weekly chart looks like this. So we are here exactly where I said there's going to come down to these white lines, and it came down here. But now the question is that is it wave four, or is it only wave A of wave four? If it is A, then we're supposed to go for B and then come down for C. And if it is wave four, then we're supposed to go for wave one, then drop wave two and three, four, five to the upside. Either way, we need to go up from here into this area. All right, so that is done. Okay, so this is where we stand right now as of today, 14th February, right? Saturday, I put the Saturday's date, but I'm making a video on Sunday, Saturday. Why? Because the Saturday's market is completely closed. Sunday, we have half day close, and then half day in the evening, market opens up. So I want to, I always make my new charts on Saturday when the market is completely closed 24 hours. So this is what it is. Now, I'm going to I am into making the daily chart, 4-hour chart, 40-minute chart, and 20-minute chart, showing completely, complete detail about how it's going to go to the upside, small wave one, two, and then entry points, so where the entry should be and all of that. And they will be ready in probably like a few hours from now, maybe, 2, 3 hours. And then I will post those charts on my Telegram right here for my subscribers, right? So if you're not if you want the charts and if you are not part of this Telegram, then go on my website, creativetradingsystem.com, and become a part of my group so that you can be added into the Telegram, and you will have access to those smaller detailed time frame charts. And you will also have access my daily video with new setups in all the Forex pairs, gold, Bitcoin, whatever the good setups are there. 4 or 5 setups every single day I post there on my 40-minute charts and all that. And my group just takes the trade from off of those charts. And I do it as well. And I'm making the daily video on a daily basis and showing my new setups and then old setups and trades taken also, right? So you know that they are all on my website, my YouTube channel, those videos, all right? So this is how the Bitcoin is, and well, this is the area, by the way. This is, if you draw the fifth from here to here, we touched exactly 127 extension level and kind of like getting stopped here, right? So if we stay above this 66,857, now then we're gonna go to the upside definitely. Okay, so this is what it is, and 66,8. Okay, yeah. Yeah, I'll just redo my charts later. All right. So like I said, a couple hours, they will be posted on the Telegram. So this is it for now for Bitcoin. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channels, to do so, because I make videos and you want to get them as soon as possible, because I show some really good setups. Market is about to open in a few hours, and then you never know how and when what is going to move, right? And the next video I'm going to make gold video about gold, what gold is doing, and we take it from there. The new week starting today in a few hours. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a very wonderful and profitable trading week, coming trading week. All right. So talk to you guys later.